Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given 9 divide 15 by 15 divide 9. Many people solve it like this, cancel out the terms and get their answer 1. But no, that's not the correct way. You have to take the correct approach to reach at the correct solution. So how can we solve it? So we'll solve it step by step. First write the numerator 9 divided 15. Then there is an fraction. So we'll write division here. So 15 divided by 9 here. Now solve it step by step. This I can write 9 divide 15 like this. Division 15 divide 9. If there is a multiplication sign, we can cancel out and take our answer as 1. But no, we are going to use KCF rule where K stands for keep, C stands for change and F stands for flip. So how can we apply this? Keep the left hand digit, change the symbol of division to multiplication. Now flip it. Now we can cancel out this with 3. 3 times 3 is 9 and 3 times 5 is 15. Similarly here. So what is left? 3 times 3 by 5 times 5. So it's 9 by 25 is the correct answer, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.